Hello everyone! Great news from Sicily. Please follow me.
Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Greetings from me and my belly. Look at this. Ciao from Sicily, from Palermo.
From the beautiful Massimo Opera House behind us. The beautiful filming location of The Godfather Part 3. We are in Palermo. It's February, what? 17?
17, yes.
17, 2025, and Rosella's pregnancy is going very, very well. It seems like an arancina,
Yes.
like rice bowl.
I'm feeling well, but I have a problem with the Sicilian food. Too much arancini, pizza,
Potatoes.
pasta, potatoes.
She's addicted to potatoes.
I can control myself, and the problem is Gianca with me because
I'm not helpful.
it doesn't help me at all.
I push her to eat more and more. It's like my personal revenge because Rosella always told me, Gianca, please stop. You are eating too much. You are having too much food. So now I say, Rosella, go on, please. Don't stop. Don't stop. It's your time. It's your chance to have all the food of the world.
We are very happy, and even if we are very busy, because of course planning tour of Sicily during normal time for us it's hard. Imagine right now. So we are working.
We are excited. This is the right word. We are overwhelmed. We are excited because we are facing a new venture, and yes, we are planning tours of Sicily, not only group tours, also a lot of private tours of Sicily for 2025. And in a few days we will release the Sicily Lovers Tours 2026.
Be ready.
We are almost ready to launch our dates.
Yeah.
Be ready because it's as you know, it's our ideal tour of Sicily. So you can also take an inspiration if you want to visit Sicily, if you want to book a private tour of Sicily and you don't want to study, you can take the Sicily Lovers Tour like an inspiration. So you can say, Gianca, please, Gianca, Rosella, I want to do something like the Sicily Lovers Tour. And we look forward to bring our baby boy with us.
Our new Sicily lover.
Yes.
With us.
Yes. So Rosella, say something about our baby boy. Maybe some people don't know the gender. Some people don't know the story behind our baby boy.
Gender reveal.
Gender reveal.
It's a baby boy.
What's his name?
His name will be Domenico, like my father and Gianca's father. They are not alive anymore, so
they are watching us from the sky, and we like to believe that they made it possible because it was like a miracle, and we are so grateful to our dads, Domenico and Domenico. So we had no choices. We decided to name him Domenico as well. But Domenico is the Italian version. We will call him Mimmo. That's the nickname for Domenico in Italy.
And of course, also Dominic.
Dominic for the Sicily lovers. So for all friends in the States, in Canada, in Australia, it will be Dominic.
And of course, we need to teach him English from the very beginning.
Not like his parents that are so bad. Our English is so poor. We really hope our baby boy will learn English.
So maybe during the Sicily Lovers Tour,
Yes, we
we
really-
can bring him with us, and you can teach him the best English, for sure, better than us.
Yes. Very important. All the bad words from the very beginning, they are very, very important. It's the best way to learn a foreign language.
So, what about our life in these days? Of course, we are preparing everything for Domenico because we wait for Domenico at the end of April, so we are almost there. And of course, we need to work. I need to help Gianca, so I'm taking care of the Sicily Lovers Tour planning for this year, and Gianca is taking care of the private
all
tours.
the private tours.
And
We are receiving a lot of inquiries for private tours of Sicily, and it's so beautiful because we are, how do you say, almost sold out. I can say that May and June are already busy months in Sicily. It's very, very difficult to find the best valued hotels, the best drivers, local guides. You have some chances, some opportunities left to have a private tour of Sicily in September or in October. I'm not so optimistic for the upcoming months like May and June because it's very, very difficult. But if you want to do something smart, you can consider 2026 right now.
And be ready because in the next days we are going to publish to reveal the dates of the 3 editions of the Sicily Lovers Tour. And
Don't fall.
Before publish all the detail itinerary with all the details, you can send us an email.
Yes.
And you can ask us to be the first to receive the itinerary, the complete itinerary with all the details. And which is the mail, Gianca?
Info at bestthingsdoinsicily.com. I can only say that we will respect the same highlights, the same itinerary as 2025. So it will be 3 nights in Palermo, 2 nights in beautiful Cefalù, 2 nights in Ragusa, 2 nights in Ortigia, the beautiful whole city center of Siracusa, and the last 3 nights in Taormina, the jewel of Sicily. So this tour will cover whole Sicily. You will have, as always, a perfect combination of the best places to visit in Sicily and the most exciting activities with local people. So as always, you will have great experiences with our friends. For those who don't know, we will have Vito, we will have Paolo, we will have Massimo, the Fiat 500 tour. So
A lot of food and wine experience.
We will be there. Can you see the red building? People who join the Sicily Lovers Tour maybe recognize this beautiful palazzo. It's an historical palace where we will enjoy a special gala dinner. So we are right in front of the Massimo Opera House in the city center of Palermo. And of course the tour is enriched by special meals. It's some people say it's a food tour. It's not only a food tour. It's a beautiful tour of Sicily with the most special highlights. But everything is combined with exciting experiences with locals. So
And
it's
of course, you will meet our baby boy.
yes, for sure.
Ready for touring Sicily with you, dear Sicily
Yeah,
lovers.
you have one more reason to visit Sicily with us. So, would you like to say something about this February?
Well, it's almost good. Not today,
Yes.
it's a little bit cloudy.
Yeah.
But it's not so bad this year.
Today was sunny. Today
Yeah.
we went to the hospital. We spent the whole morning. We had how do you say in English prenatal course.
Yes, prenatal training, yes.
Oh, listen to the music.
Yeah. It's the right location because it's the place on the staircase. Michael's daughter was killed
Yes.
in the Godfather number 3.
Part 3. Yes.
Yes, so it's the perfect music to play.
So we went to the hospital and we've been taught how she breastfeeds our future baby boy.
How to take care of him because he's our first baby boy.
Yes.
And it's interesting. We are open our mind to be good parents. It's not so easy, but we will do our best.
I'm concerned about the music. Maybe the volume is too high, so it's better we stop this video now.
Yeah,
We will get back to you very soon, maybe from our house in Carini. And we love you. Thanks for all beautiful messages we are receiving. It's so beautiful to have special friends like yours in the rest of the world, overseas.
Thank you for
And,
your love and your support.
We really appreciate your love. And that's all, folks.
So,
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. Ciao! Ciao from Domenico as well.